Want to be able to log into Home Assistant without having to type the port number? I'm going to show you that coming up. Using Home Assistant is pretty easy. All you have to do is type in the name of your server followed by port number 8123 and it'll to redirect you to the Home Assistant site. However, you have to type in this port number, which using on mobile or tablet devices can be pretty difficult as you have to shift to an alternate keyboard or a numeric keyboard. So what we're going to do in this is to set up Apache, which will redirect to this port number. So all you have to do is type in the host name instead of the host with the port number. So the first thing you need to do is go to your server and you'll need to run updates using sudo apt-get update. And if prompted for your sudo credentials, enter those. And then you'll need to run sudo apt-get install Apache 2. And when prompted, select yes to continue. And then the packages as well as the dependencies will install. Alright, once the installation has completed, then you'll need to go to the var and then www directory. Oops, too many W's. And you'll see a folder here called HTML. So you'll go into that HTML directory. And what we're going to do is we're going to rename this index.html and make it a backup just in case if we ever want to go back to that page. And you may need to use sudo permissions for this as well to move that file. And so we just renamed it to index.html.old. And then using sudo, we're going to create an index.html file. And in this HTML file, we're going to put the header. In this HTML page, we're going to put a meta tag redirect. And so this page will automatically redirect to the appropriate port number when the page is automatically loaded. And so basically we're setting the content value equal to 0 seconds, which basically means when the page is loaded, immediately redirect to the location that we're providing. And so the name of my server is Home Automation. So I'll type that in along with the port number, which is 8123, and close it with a single quote, and then close that tag with a double quote. And then we'll close out the header section of the document, put a body and paragraph tag, and we'll note that redirecting to, and then we'll include a link in case the page does not automatically redirect like it should. This should normally not happen as most modern browsers will respect the meta redirect tag. So I'm just going to paste that in here, close out my tags, close out the body, and then close out the HTML of the entire page. And then I'll also put a title tag up here to note that we are going to do redirecting. And then we'll save the page and then exit out. And then if you check, you should have two pages, index.html and then the index.html.old. So now we can go back to our browser and we will type in just the server name. And for reasons unknown, Google decides it wants to come up. So we'll be specific in our request. And we'll specify HTTP so it doesn't redirect, and type the name of our server in. And as you see, it redirected automatically to the Home Assistant homepage. If this video has been helpful to you, please like and share it with others. If you have not already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell to receive instant notifications when new videos are published.